Hello everyone. We are going to do some tutorial on Oracle database. So the first thing we are going to see is the concept of what this database structure is. So the first one is DDL. DDL stands for definition data definition language. So this command is this command is define or change database structure. So the other one is DML. So DML is a data manipulation language. This command is that manages data inside tables. For example, insert, update, delete, select. So we have DCL, which is data control language, which actually commands that control access and permission. For example, grantee, revoke. So TCL is transaction control language, commands that manage transaction in database. So this also makes easier to actually do all the transactions in a database, for example, commit, rollback, or save point. So let us dive in how we are going to see how to create user privileges. Our username it's going to be admin, and the password is going to be identified as 123. So let us see. So we are going to open our command line or terminal. So type SQL plus sysdba. So we have started up the database. So let us create our first username, which is called create. Let us type this command: create user admin identified by 123. So let us also grant permission, grant DBA to admin. So DBA has been granted. So let us create our student table. Create table students ID, number, primary key. So name varchar 50. Okay, we have made a mistake. First, we need to connect to admin as a user. So we have to cancel. You can press Ctrl C to exit. So let us clear the screen. Okay, we need to connect the newly created username called admin. So connect admin. So password is 123. So now let's create the table. So create table students ID number primary key. The next one is name varchar 50. So the next one is telephone varchar 2 15. So the next one is location varchar 2 so let us close the bracket, semicolon. Invalid identifier was I have the location varchar, there is a comma, there was not supposed to be a comma, so let us repeat again. Create table students ID number primary key name. Okay, telephone. So last location okay. Let us check our tables. Desk students. Okay, well done. We have created. So far so good. Okay, we need to create what's called create a sequence. So create sequence ID so start with 16. So our ID will start 16. So increment by 1. Okay, maximum value 1699. Max value 1699. Okay, so minimum value is going to be 1600. So last no cycle at all. So we have the problem. Okay, we have written this bearing very wrong, no cycle. So let us repeat again. So create sequence ID start with 1600, increment by 1, max value 1699, and min value 1600. So no cycle. Okay, we have successfully created a sequence. So the next one we want to create is sequence tail. So create sequence tail. So start with our the phone number will start 55 000, increment by 1. So max value 55. So min value is the initial value that we have put, so which means the start value. So 5500. So that's the minimum. So no cycle. So we have automated the telephone number. So the next one we want to create is synonym and view. So first we create synonym. We first create view. So create view. So our view, we give a name called v studentis as selected name. So view will be selected name, location from studentis. So the next one is to create a synonym. Create synonym. So we give our synonym a name called stud. Stud stands for student. So stud for studentis. Okay, we have created the synonym. So what we need to do right now is to add our tables student names. So which means we are going to insert records into the student table. Okay, so let us type insert studentis. Insert studentis. Insert into studentis values. Okay, so no number dot next val comma the first name we want to add is called Hussein. Hussein Ali. Close the add the code, the okay, comma. So we have ID next val comma, you have tel, okay, next val tel dot next val, so comma we have location which is Garowe, okay, then close. So let us see if this is gonna work. So we have, I think there is no problem here. Oh, has been identified. So the issue was insert into students. We have put in here a number, not a number, it is ID, because we already said our when we were creating the tables, we have chosen ID, not a number. So we have to type here ID. So let us check it again. So still we have the same issue. So let us see what the problem is. So we have successfully added our first student. So let us add 9 more. Okay, we are going to add 10 students, so we have already added 1, so 9 is remaining. So our next student is going to be Jama Noor. Okay, let us see again the error. So first we need to clear the screen. Clear. So we say insert into student is ID, comma, name, comma, telephone, comma, location. So let us add, say, values into bracket ID dot next val, comma, so the name is Jama Noor, comma, tel Saso. So we have added our second student, so let us recheck. So let us copy this command. Okay, so far so good. We have added more students. So the next thing is to check uh, the student table. So let us clear the screen. Select. Okay, we have 10 rows selected. So we have successfully added uh, students. So the next one we want command uh, types that I have shown you. So if you have a problem, you can pause the video. So thank you so much and subscribe my channel.